Alright guys, this is just a test. I'm just checking the audio because I had problems in the last video on audio. Sorry I haven't been doing some videos. I've been doing some other bits and bobs, plus work's been getting in the way as well. And obviously it's December, so things just all start piling up a bit. So hopefully a bit over Christmas I do get some more time and we get some more videos out. We're just waiting obviously to get up to Yorkshire, see my dad. He's in tier 3 now, so I can't visit him. So he's got the engine for this. And so yeah, it's sort of like, well, there is no rush. We can get it done, but you know, it's just going to sit here until the car shows next year anyway. So yeah, we've sorted out the wiper motor. Still got to do the indicator stalks. We'll get all that. We'll do a video next time of the wiper motor being fitted, because that's such an excitement video. Been working on the 6R4 project as well. That's going okay. Might kick off January, February time. We'll see. My old Safira workhorse failed its MOT, had to upgrade, which again cost that I didn't really need, but had to be done. So gone for a slightly newer Safira, only a year or so older, but they changed from 2005 to 2006, so it's quite a bit different inside. And yeah, so that's going alright. Diesel though, but good mileage-ish. But yeah, it'd be good for going up and down Yorkshire. See if I can not make a much mess of it. So anyway, don't know what the sound's like. Give me a feedback. It's just an update. I am still alive, still doing okay. We're still down here, still chipping away, but not as much as we want. So stay safe. I shall catch up with you soon. And yeah, keep supporting me. Thank you very much.